Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to the Festival of Motoring 2024. For those of you who don't know, this is a whole weekend event celebrating the history of motoring, showcasing some great classic cars, as well as unveiling some of the latest creations by big names in the automotive industry. The Festival of Motoring had some great attractions, including being able to drift on track, test drive some of the newest cars by many different manufacturers, and even sitting tight as a passenger princess while professionals take you for a spin on the Kayalami racing track. We had a great time looking through the history of cars and seeing some classics up close, even getting a chance to touch some of the high-powered engines. This was without a doubt a great experience, and we finished our day off on some rides through the 4x4 track, pushing different off-road vehicles through a strenuous obstacle course. I cannot wait to see how the Festival of Motoring SA will top themselves next year.